Welcome to First Union Lending. My name is Krizia, and today we're talking about why your bank may not approve your small business for financing. Applying for a loan can take a lot of time and work. Having your application rejected, especially by your own bank, can be a huge disappointment. Here are some reasons your bank might turn you down for business financing. Number 1, your business credit score is too low. Credit scores are important, especially for traditional lenders. It is an indicator of your credit worthiness and your ability to repay the loan. If your credit score is low, it's time to start repairing it. Number 2, you haven't been in business long enough. Most banks like to see at least 2 years worth of bank statements, balance sheets, and profit and loss statements. Some may require even longer. So if you haven't hit that 2-year mark yet, they are probably going to reject your application. Number 3, you have very little to no collateral. Banks want security to balance the risk of loaning you money with the safety net that is collateral. Collateral makes you less of a risk to banks and increases your chances for business funding. However, as a newer business, you simply might not have any to offer. This is likely to get your business loan denied. If your bank denies your application, there are alternatives. First Union Lending has been helping small businesses when banks said no for years now. Our lines of credit and short-term business loans could be exactly the solution your company needs. First Union Lending offers numerous financing programs designed with small businesses in mind. Our business loans are fast and flexible, with financing options ranging from $5,000 to $2 million. We have the funds to help. Call today to learn more about our various financing solutions to help your business grow and become successful.